Here is this 700-word YouTube video script written in simple language with smooth flow, no scene suggestions, no use of and a CTA at the end. Samsung's Galaxy A series has always been popular among users looking for a balance between price and performance, especially the Galaxy A57 lineup, which often brings premium features without flagship prices. But for buyers in the United States, every new Galaxy A launch comes with one big question: will this phone actually be available in the US market? Now, it looks like the mystery surrounding the upcoming Galaxy A57 is finally getting clearer, and surprisingly, Google may have just revealed the answer. Samsung's strategy with the Galaxy A series has not always been predictable in the United States. In recent years, some Galaxy A models were released globally but skipped the US entirely. This created uncertainty among fans who were waiting for the next affordable mid-range device. Because of that history, many people were unsure whether the Galaxy A57 would officially launch in America or not. Until recently, there was almost no solid information. No carrier listings showed up, no clear regulatory documents appeared, and Samsung kept completely silent about its plans. This lack of details made speculation grow even more. Some believed the phone would launch globally but not in the US, while others expected a delayed release. But now, new evidence has changed the picture. The Galaxy A57 has appeared in the Google Play console, and this is a very important detail. For those unfamiliar, the Google Play console is a platform where upcoming devices often show up before launch, giving early confirmation that certain models exist. In this case, the listing revealed a US variant of the phone, which strongly suggests that Samsung is preparing a launch for the American market. The US version carries the model number A57 US. This small detail actually tells a lot. The U1 suffix usually represents a factory unlocked version. In simple terms, this means Samsung USA is expected to sell the unlocked Galaxy A57 directly through its online store. That is a strong sign because unlocked models are typically part of official launches rather than limited carrier releases. Even though the Google Play console listing does not reveal full specifications, the appearance of the model itself is already big news. Samsung generally does not make major hardware differences between regions in the Galaxy A57 lineup. So the US model is expected to have the same core features as the global version. Based on previous leaks, the Galaxy A57 could feature a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. This would continue Samsung's trend of offering high-quality screens even on mid-range devices. Super AMOLED panels are known for bright colors, deep blacks, and smooth viewing experiences, making them great for social media, gaming, and streaming content. Under the hood, the phone is expected to run on Samsung's Exynos 1680 chipset. While this may not be a flagship-level processor, it should deliver solid performance for daily tasks, multitasking, and casual gaming. The Galaxy A57 seems to be following a familiar formula, not a huge redesign, but a refined and improved version of what users already enjoy from the A series. Another interesting detail is that the Galaxy A57 may not be launching alone. Its more affordable sibling, the Galaxy A37, has also been spotted in the Google Play console with a US-bound model number A37 US. This suggests that Samsung could release both devices around the same time. If both phones launch together, it could be a strong move from Samsung. The company would be covering different price ranges at once, giving US customers more choices in the mid-range and budget-friendly categories. Historically, Galaxy A57 phones sometimes arrive later in the United States compared to other regions, but these early signs suggest things might be different this time. As for pricing, nothing is confirmed yet. However, if Samsung follows previous trends, the Galaxy A57 could arrive with a price tag close to $499. That would place it right in the competitive mid-range segment, going up against other popular smartphones that focus on value and balanced performance. For now, official confirmation from Samsung is still missing, but the Google Play console listing is a strong hint that US buyers may finally get access to the Galaxy A57 without delays or regional exclusions. After years of uncertainty with Galaxy A launches in America, this news brings fresh optimism for fans waiting for a reliable and affordable Samsung device. More leaks and official details are expected to appear soon, including final specifications, launch dates, and pricing confirmation. The Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be a familiar yet refined addition to Samsung's lineup, and if these signs are accurate, it could become one of the most interesting mid-range phones for US users this year. For more Galaxy updates, leaks, and upcoming smartphone news, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so nothing gets missed.